Hello guys, we have put every and each content of the noodles, which is cheesy noodles, and as you can see, the water has just dispensed into this bowl, and it's actually cooking now. And we also put the cheesy ingredients as well as the cheese itself, and later on we'll put this egg now when it is cooked. So I think I have to add more water in this. Pwede mo add pag gamay ra nga tubig? Okay. So we will add more water after it is boiled and cooked. And we can actually pwede i-mix, no?
I-mix.
Kanira hindi ko makurente.
Dili. Start siya ang tinitay para din siya magpalit.
Korea jud ay nindo kaniba. Ingani jud sa Korea di ay no.
Noodles mo dili to.
Oh, ingani jud nga machine. Nakita na ko sa YouTube.
Ito nila kuha.
Gi-adapt na to.
Gadhan na din siya 24 hours.
Yeah. Naka-experience po kung ingani sa Nueva Ecija hinoon. So we have to mix it to ensure that the noodles are evenly cooked and all the ingredients will come together into a fusion and to have a great flavor. Ang itlog, unya na.
Pag ako na 3 minutes.
Okay.
Pwede na mo siya ma-mix. Pwede na siya.
Ang itlog?
1 minute.